What's poppin', chef? In this video I'll be showing you how to make a tag on FL Studio. Now I'm gonna open up a plugin and I'm gonna open up mVoice 1. This is a free plugin you can get to download. This plugin it's a voice generator and you get Lucy and Jazz demos. You can buy the full version. This sound right here is just like a little perk. It doesn't add any value really, it's just to extend the note channel. It sounds like this. Nothing crazy. Now, what I'm gonna do is get that pencil icon and I'm gonna drag a bar. And I'm just tap in this Dynamite. I'm gonna drag this. And I'm gonna do this. And play it.
It's Dynamite.
And there we go.
It's Dynamite. La la, it's Dynamite. La la la, it's Dynamite. La la la.
And then what you can do now is you can record that if you want. So I'm gonna open up Edison. Go to on play, hit record, and play.
It's Dynamite. La la la.
And now I'm gonna drag this into the playlist and play it.
It's Dynamite. La la la.
And of course, if you want to make it more keyed, so like whatever track you're making, you can do that. I'm gonna add some EQ, a little bit of reverb, and that's it.
It's Dynamite.
And you can do whatever else you want to do from here. You're gonna have as one key if you want to. You just import the vocals, and that's it.
It's Dynamite. It's Dynamite.
But you know, tags are not the only thing you can do with this. You can enter whatever you want. And I'll see you in the next one.